What's up, guys, and welcome one more time to BitBrothers Crypto, a place where you learn and discover new opportunities every single day, even in a bear market. As you can see, our thumbnail today, when Lambo. I know it's difficult and hard to think when Lambo, when you see Bitcoin under 20,000. I have to laugh, not to cry. Because yes, Bitcoin, it's almost at 18. It's literally 19,199, 19 and 200. So, but we know we've been talking and discussing about this for a long time and um, how bear we are, how bearish with the market we are at the moment. But when Lambo, guys, it's all about the reason why I put this thumbnail is because the Lambo will come. Before I start the show, he was talking to Papa, and we said, hopefully, the money that we have invested and the projects that we have invested will eventually give us the return that we expected. Of course, with crypto, everything is speculation, and everything is not certain, right? Well, bear in mind, nothing should be considered financial advice with us. But the Lambo will come eventually if you have done the homework, or if you do the homework at this time, at this present time. Meaning, go and check and do your research and see the projects that are worth to be investing your money, to be following the market, understanding when's the deep, when's going to be the bottom, or try to at least DCA. There are so many videos that we've been talking about this in particular. DCA, getting passive. Yesterday, the life was about my life in the afternoon was passive income. Go and have a look. I showed so many projects there that you can do passive income with stake and so on and so on. So, saying all of that, of course, if it's your first time here, remember, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel like this. You become part of the family. Follow us on Twitter, Papa BitBrother and Casquinha Crypto. Also on the Instagram, BitBrother_crypto. As we can see here, can't stop, and I won't stop because Bitcoin's holders buy the dip at 20K. BTC, the idea that panic selling is driven BTC price loss appear less watertight on the back of the latest data. Everyone expects another Bitcoin capitulation event, but data suggests that mass buying has already started. In a Twitter thread on 29, led on a chain analyst, a data firm Glassnode drew attention to who in Bitcoin is really stocking sat. Shrimp or whales? Bitcoin's holders are stacking sats. Bitcoin selling has made the headline for weeks and has even begun to include long-term holders, those who have been guarding their coins for 155 days or more. Speculators are not taking the blame for current BTC price weakness, but contrary to the popular opinion, many market participants are in fact adding to the BTC allocation. Let me just open very fast here. It's exactly what Papa, myself and Papa have been telling you for a long time. These people are DCAing. People knows the value of Bitcoins. And not only this, they believe in Bitcoins and in crypto. That means it doesn't matter if they buy on the 20, on the 18, on the 17, on the 15, on the 12, on the 30, on the 35. I mean, Michael Saylor just bought 400 Bitcoin, I think it was, yesterday. He bought also when Bitcoin was at 60K, he also bought it. So he also are DCAing, of course, in a different scale because they are a whale, they are an institution who invest in Bitcoin. But they know that Bitcoin will go outperform the last all-time high, which was 69K or something like this. So eventually, it will happen. When? That is what we don't know. When should we? That's what we don't know. Bitcoin can go down to 10. People still gonna be buying because they know and they believe on the Bitcoins that it will go and outperform the last all-time high. So you are very late to Bitcoins if you are thinking Bitcoin at $1. But if you think Bitcoin at $200,000, $150,000, that may happen on the next all-time high, on the next bull run, and then I tell you something, my friends, you are early to the game. As simple as that. You are early to the game, and that's basically what's happening. So just before that, so 8,000 Bitcoins millionaire wiped out in a great crypto crash of 2022. Yes, of course, we've seen not only the huge crash happening now, we probably will see a recession this year. Every time there is a recession, there is a bear market. Not every time there is a bear market, there is a recession. There is bear markets that we don't have a recession. Don't know if you follow me here. But this year, everyone, all the analysts, everybody, it's saying that we will have a recession. So things is still looking to get bad, and it's not bad yet. So it's still looking to get worse. Back in November 12, just days after Bitcoin hits a new all-time high around 69K, exactly what I said before, a total of 108,886 BTC address reported a balance greater than 1 million, according to data from BitInfo charts. Fast forward to the present day, with the price of Bitcoin struggling to hold above 20K, a merely 26,284 addresses are reported to contain a holding value up at upwards of $1 million, meaning that the numbers of the paper millionaires has declined by more than 75% throughout the last 9 months. Which are, wait, let's go back here. Let's open. Wait, open is not open. For some reason, you open here. So what we're saying there is, even within the Bitcoin holders, there is paper hands, people who are there. And remember, it's the price and everything with the economy and the system, the war, because, for example, because of the war in Ukraine and at the moment, price of commodities goes very, very high. So people get scared. So people take their money out. They scared to leave their money there. And for many reasons. So the war, they scared of the recession coming early. Bottom line is, a lot of people sells. Remember, in November was 108,000 wallets, and there is 26,000 wallets now. 75% down. That's crazy. So, but if you and that's the importance of you understanding this and be able to DCA in. If, of course, again, not financial advice, but if this is what you believe, that you believe in the next 10 years, Bitcoin will be exploding. Because if Bitcoin goes to, let's say, $250,000 in the next bull run, which there is a possible. I mean, in crypto, everything is possible. So if that happens, probably the next cycle, because trust me, we will have a bull run, and honestly, we will have another bear market. That's the way the cycle is. So we will fall again, guys. Probably another 80%. But that means maybe 10,000, 12,000, 15,000, 18,000, whatever the bottom is for Bitcoin now, maybe, just maybe, this is the last time you will see Bitcoins in that low. Because if it goes to £250,000, $250,000 and drops 80%, we will go back to about 60, 50. Not 15 anymore, not 12 anymore. So maybe Maybe not. Again, in crypto, everything is possible. Bitcoin can go to zero. Of course it can. It's possible. Why not? Of course it can. Nothing is secure. Everything is is risk. But it's very unlikely to happen, right? Especially as crypto becoming more having more adoption within the mainstream. How long do you believe Bitcoins or cryptocurrencies will take in order to be consumed and used and adopted by over 60% of the world population? So we need to think of things like that. And just to close here, my news. I don't know if you got this email. Let me see here. I think I took a screenshot. Yes, I did. I got an email this morning. I don't know if you got. I got an email this morning. If you ever, where is it now? I absolutely. I got an email this morning. Wait, it doesn't open it for some reason. I took a screenshot of the email, but it's this news here. OpenSea. If you ever put your email on OpenSea, whatever, this probably happened to you. OpenSea data branch caused massive leak of users' email addresses. So the NFTs marketplace notes that it has reported the incident to law enforcement officials and that an inquiry is underway. OpenSea, the world's largest NFTs marketplace, has issued a warning to customers after it was discovered that an employee of them, a platform for managing emails, newsletters, and campaign, leaked the list of OpenSea customers' emails to an outside party. An email of, let me try to open here again, because they send the email, and there's one important thing that I would like you guys here. Safety recommend. Oh, fucking kidding me, man. One more time. It's ridiculous. Let's try here. Safety recommendations. Be cautious of phishing emails from addresses trying to impersonate OpenSea. OpenSea will only send you email from the domain OpenSea.io. Please do not engage with any email claiming to be from the OpenSea that does not come from this email domain. Never download anything from the OpenSea email. Authentic OpenSea emails do not include attachments or requests to download anything. Check the URL of any page linked in the OpenSea email. We will only include hyperlinks to email OpenSea.io. URLs, make sure that OpenSea.io is spelled correctly, as it's common for malicious actors to impersonate URLs by shuffling the letters around so you don't understand. Never share or confirm your passwords, your secret wallet phrase. OpenSea will never prompt you to do this in any format. Never sign a wallet transaction prompt directly from an email. OpenSea emails will never contain links which directly prompt you to sign a wallet transaction. Never sign a wallet transaction that doesn't list the origins of https://opensea.io if you were led there by the email. Your trust and safety, it's a top of the blah, 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 blah. Anyway, so make sure that you, my friend, brother, you brothers and sisters of the BitBrother family, again, I'm out here. Brothers and sisters from the BitBrothers channel, do not click in malicious emails. And please do be careful so you don't get scams out there, especially in a bear market. Because if you get scammed now in a bear market, it's going to be bad. The market is bad. Everything is bad. And on top of that, you get scammed. Please don't. So be careful. Look after yourself and stay safe. All right. Okay, guys. So That's from me, but Papa will carry on here with some news. And yeah, let's go. I am Casquinha Crypto.
By the way, hey guys, welcome to the channel again. Papa Beach Brother here. And yes, Casca said, you know, everything that you should be saying today. I have some news for you. Of course, we're gonna quick have a look at the market. He's just said a few of the coins, but I like to check the whole market just very quickly today as well. And so yeah, today Bitcoin 19,000 guys. Yeah, so a lot of people said that the holding place was 19,800, so it broke that. So now it's probably downhill. But again, guys, super volatile, very crazy times. We don't know what's gonna happen for real. Okay, but yeah, everything it's in a bargain once again. Okay, I just keep saying to Casca that unfortunately this time I think for everybody as well, isn't it, guys? It's like crazy times in our lives, and it's been I think for most people it's hard times to get fiat and spend on crypto now because especially if you've been in the market for the past 2 years, and I've been DCing in the past 2 years already, so when my capital is kind of gone and then all the opportunities come. But if you speak to everybody who's in the market, they will say the same thing. That's why we need to keep our faith stronger and stay on the market, because you only lose once you sell it. Okay, until until you sell it, it's like it's unrealized loss or profit, only unrealized loss and unrealized profit. I actually have some profit. I keep saying to Casca, you know but I know the potential that I have. I'm in profit on ETH, for example, and I'm in profit on Engine. What else? I'm in profit on XRP. So I know that eventually, once all of this gets even better, I will really have realized profit. But at the moment, I don't have realized profit because, of course, I'm it's one of the worst times ever to sell anything. So I'm trying to keep strong, working hard not to be need to buy it to sell anything. Okay. So again, guys, look, Ape Coin at $4.33. You have Algorand 29, Atom. Everything's down. So we haven't spoke about coins a lot, like in the past lives, and I'm gonna say some coins that I have an eyes on it. I still believe on it. I said this yesterday. I'm gonna repeat today because maybe different people coming up. But Casca, maybe if you want to leave a coin that you're looking at the moment, okay, guys. But of course, we're gonna say that the layer ones, it's always in the cards there. Okay, I'm have an eye on XRP really, because I think once the lawsuit ends, we're gonna have big gains even on the bear market. I think this is once the lawsuit ends, I think the first coin to pump is gonna be XRP. I truly believe that because it's been suppressed for so long, so long. I think doesn't matter if it's bear market or not. If the lawsuit ends, this is gonna pump. And so I think you guys, if you're not exposed to XRP, not financial advice, but you should really looking into it. Okay. I know if you're in the market for a long time, you're probably exposed to Cardano, Solana, Polkadot, Leo as well, guys. Is Bybit, right? I think it's something that you really need to look into. It's grown
Not
so
5 bit, it's Bitfinex. Bitfinex,
Bitfinex.
not 5 bit.
Sorry, Bitfinex. Yeah, sorry. And so if these exchange guys are growing so strong, it's crazy. So if you're not into it, like you can see, it's in front of CRO, it's in front of FTX, and it's crazy. It's being here now. It's just below, Binance, which is crazy. So it's probably doing something really well. But again, not financial advice. Do your own research. But we have Polygon here, Avalanche, FTX, Chronos. You can see like all below the Bitfinex. Near Protocol at 321, Cosmos at $7. Okay, so many opportunities there for you. Coins that I'm looking into it now personally, into DCA at this time: XRP, Gala. Yeah, Gala guess has so much going on. But I think the gaming industry, guys, is something that for you need to keep an eye on it. Like Gala Games, Decentraland, Engine, Sandbox for sure. Okay, these coins are the ones that I have my eye really strong on it. okay, and also Phantom and Matic, okay. So these are the coins that I have my eyes on it. So if you want to have a look and study a little bit more, do it. Okay, guys, news today: Bitcoin and ETH lower limits being tested. Okay, Bitcoin rainbow price chart. Okay, basically it's like this. There's the buy. Okay, on the red one, maximum bubble territory means sell, sell, sell. Like the orange is sell, seriously sell. Green FOMO intensifies. Is this a bubble? Yellow hodl. Green still cheap. Dark green accumulate. Like even darker green buy. Basically a fire sale, guys. We are on fire sale on Bitcoin, following the rainbow chart. Okay, is this a very very secure indicator and everything? Not, maybe not, maybe not, but following the previous bull runs, we can see here, every single time this place was in the blue, was seriously buying position. Because if you bought here and sold here, it was crazy. If you bought here, sold here, if you bought here, you could just sell here, and then it's time again. Okay, this is for Bitcoin. And ETH is in the same chart, guys. ETH again as well. Look, fire sale. Look at this. 2020 went below the blue band. Okay, you can see here the light blue is undervalued. Okay, and we are on fire sale on ETH as well. Okay, which is good news. Today the fear and greed index at 11, still very fearful market. Again, guys, we keep saying this. In times of fear, accumulate. Okay, accumulate. Not financial advice, but please be aware that you are in the best times of your life. Ethereum 1K price support in danger as Q2 comes to a close. The latest ETH plunge has triggered a bearish continuation setup with an interim downside target 20% below the current price. Ethereum native token Ether fell on final trading day on Q2 2022, trading sync with riskier assets amid persistent fears of higher inflation, rising interest rates. Guys, so all the news are either we reach the bottom or we're gonna go lower. But if we're gonna look on the long run, okay, every single time we think on the long run, it's good times. Every single time we talk about long run is good times. Okay, so thank you very much, everybody, for being with us today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, please, guys, and leave us your comments and suggestions. Okay, I said yesterday, guys, leave us a coin that you guys are looking into it that could be a good option for us to bring in the channel. Okay, and then something that we could research. Okay, I think we're missing this from you. You guys helping us research something that's really nice. Okay, and then we can build our community together. That's the long-term thing for our channel here, is build a community together where you bring things for us, we can research, and then we can all share something that can bring people a lot of happiness. Like Casca is doing the post. Okay, also don't forget to follow Casca there in his personal channel, Casquinha Crypto. And Casca mainly speaks about projects on the post-chain network. Okay, it's super nice. He's always bring things, sacrifice, and where we are at. Okay, on the post-net. Okay, so yeah, maybe in the next live, Casca can speak to us a little bit more about where we are. But that's it for today. Thank you so much, and have a great day.
All right, guys. So nice. Remember to check some of our videos. Yesterday live, Papa Life was very nice. Was some frozen on the video, but keep watching because it's very nice. I did also a live on the passive income, so check that as well. And yeah, on the way out, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Ciao!